Okay, guys, have you ever felt like intimidated or like have you ever been in a situation where somebody tells you that you are not very up there because of your addiction? Any person who has an addiction is not very all dairy, but in the meantime, you're an addict because you had a traumatic experience of some sort and you didn't get the help you need, like psychiatrist, psychologist, something like that. Mind you, me. And then you get these days where you in self recovery, no rehab, nobody else to help you except yourself. And then you think to yourself, I can do this. I am busy doing this. And then you get those moments where you go like, Dax, that I call it a Dax moment. It's a motivation moment. I'm powerful. I'm busy doing this. I'm winning this. I can do this. I've been doing it for days now, months now. So I can fight this. And then there's that Dax moment when you're like, oh shit, now I need a rock to lean on. I cannot do this anymore. Um, I got wasted 'cause I didn't wanna be with myself tonight. My thoughts get drowned and then I feel alright. And then after the Dax moment, you get that guilty moment where you feel that sense of guilt that but then you think to yourself, you know what, I tried. This is a selfish M&M moment now. When I'm gone, just carry on. No more rejoice every time you hear the sound of my voice. Just know that I'm looking down, you smiling, and I can feel the pain. So, baby, don't feel no pain, just smile back. Have you ever experienced those thoughts? And if you had, put them in my comment section. Share them with me. Let's share these thoughts together so that we don't have to act on them but just speak them and never act on them. It's better to speak these thoughts than to act on them. You see, I'll be your YouTube psychiatrist for free. For free.